Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage, and another episode working on Gigantor. Today, while everything's at powder coating, well, mostly everything, we're going to be painting the frame. So we have to sand it, prep it, wax and grease remover. We're going to hit it with 120, get it all knocked down and nice and smooth. It had some textured undercoat on the frame. The rear's how Plan B did it, but we're going to take all that off and put glossy, VHT, chassis black, gloss black on there. It's gonna look super nice in our opinion. I think it'll look nicer. So we gotta prep the frame extra good for that. So we're gonna bring you guys along with us and get Gigantor's frame painted. So after we get it all prepped, then we're gonna wrap it with plastic 3M mummy wrap. The other Tacoma with Venom, with plastic mummy wrap. These parts, wheels, make sure everything's protected. We got the 3M plastic, so. All right, guys, let's do this. All done painting Gigantor's frame, guys. Looks really good. Move this light out of the way. This gets good. Low light, give it a second. Yeah. Looks really good. We're really happy with the way it turned out. Gloss black. We use VHT chassis black, and it turned out really nice. I'm glad we went with gloss versus stained or semi-gloss black. Looks really good against the silver, and then with all the blue powder coated components, I think it'll look really nice. Real similar to Carnage, the way some of its offset colors are black. So we're looking really good here, guys. Don't worry about those. We'll talk about those in the next episode. But now we're waiting on our parts to come back from powder coating. We got 25 days until this has to be on the hot shop trailer with bullet transport headed to SEMA Show 23. So we're in full on crunch mode. So we got all the parts off at powder. While I've been waiting for those, we've been painting the frame. Should have been about 2 days, but this was about a week's worth of work. Lots and lots of prep, and got it all the way down to 320. Made the frame nice and smooth, so way better than factory. So lots of work, guys. But yeah, so 25 days. We're just waiting for our parts to come back from powder coating. Then we can slam everything on the truck, and I can make the front driveline or the front cross member once the front driveline is in there, so I can design it around it. There's going to be no Bluetooth driveline on this rig. So now that we're waiting, that's all we can do, guys. We'll catch you guys in the next episode with what we're doing there, but that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this kind of content, just let me know in the comment box. And if you like Cougar House Fab and what we do at the shop, just follow along with Cougar House Fab on Instagram, guys, on the daily story that we're very active on, and on the long road to SEMA with Gigantor and all the other builds at Cougar House. And we'll catch you guys in the next episode.